Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your knowledge with CryptoSlate step by step clearly. Visit the CryptoSlate website to get started. Take your time to explore the home page. Get familiar with the layout and the available sections. Navigate to the news section to stay updated with the latest developments. Read the top headlines to understand current trends in the crypto market. Access the guides and resources section for in-depth analyses. Choose topics that interest you or are relevant to your investments. Utilize the comparison tools to evaluate different cryptocurrencies. Check the market data to analyze price movements and trends. Set up a personal account for tailored news updates and alerts. Engage with the community forums for discussions and insights. Follow industry leaders and analysts featured on the site. Attend webinars or events promoted on CryptoSlate for live learning experiences. Make notes on key takeaways from articles and forums. Regularly revisit the site to track your knowledge progress. Compare your understanding with other crypto news sources for a broader perspective. Evaluate your learning journey weekly to ensure continuous improvement. Stay curious and keep exploring new topics and trends in the crypto space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.